gun safes. They've been around for the last 150 years or so, and we've been told over and over and over again that you need to have your guns in your safe. And I disagree with that. Let's talk about it. What is up, guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. All right, so first of all, I have a gun safe, and I keep most of my guns in it. So why in the world am I saying that it's wrong to keep all of your guns in a gun safe? First, let's talk about what gun safes are designed for and what they do really well and what they really suck at. A gun safe's purpose is to secure your guns in a locked container. And a gun safe keeps out home invaders, burglars, kids, unwanted guests, and most are even fireproof to a degree. Basically, they make it really hard for someone to steal your guns. And they're great for that. But here lies the problem. They also make it really hard for you to get to your home defense gun when you need it. I'm just gonna say it. Standard gun safes are not a good option for home defense. They are massive and ugly, so good luck convincing your wife that you need to keep it by the bedside table.
Big mistake. Big. Huge.
They are insanely heavy, so if your room is upstairs, you might as well forget it. And they usually take several seconds to open, which during a home invasion is an eternity. So let's be honest for a minute. What do most of us end up doing? We get in the habit of sticking that shotgun or the rifle in the closet, or leaving the pistol on the bedside table for your home defense gun. If you've got kids or guests in your house sometimes, then this is not the answer either.
It's true.
I trust my kids a lot, and they are really comfortable around guns. But kids do stupid things all the time. And it's just too easy for an accident to happen when you just have your gun sitting around waiting to be messed with.
I just shot myself.
So what is the solution? Well, before we get to that, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find the best way to conceal, then I've got something that will really help you out. The Concealed Carry Starter Kit is a short, practical guide that walks you through what gun to choose, the best position, choosing the right holster, and what other self-defense tools you need to be carrying. It's everything I wish somebody would have told me 10 years ago when I started carrying a gun. You don't have to figure out everything on your own. Check it out in the link down below. All right, so if a big gun safe isn't the answer and staging your guns out in the open or shoved in a closet isn't the answer either, then what is?
Tell me how!
Something in between, like this Kaer Biometric Gun Cabinet. This is a perfect fit between a big heavy gun safe and having your home defense gun out where you can get to it. Kaer sent me this one a few months back to test out, and honestly guys, putting this thing together, I was pretty skeptical. It's not thick solid steel. It's not fireproof, and it's not the most secure way to store your expensive gun collection. Sorry, but you know what? I can get it up the stairs, and I can easily fit it right in the closet, and the biometric lock makes it really easy and quick for me or my wife to get to a home defense gun when we need it. These are all things I can't do with my gun safe. Now, I'm not getting rid of my gun safe, and I'm not storing all of my guns in this thing, again. But this is the best setup that I have found to have a shotgun or rifle setup secure from kids and visitors and easy to get to in a hurry. Let me know in the comments, would you use one of these for your home defense setup? I'll put my affiliate link and discount code for you guys for this setup in the description down below. If you gain value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more concealed carry content. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.